All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are coming live from our Joburg office. Good morning and welcome back to the opening bell with myself, Tshepo and Ashley. And this is brought to you by TD Markets and TD Markets Academy every Mondays to Fridays at 9, streaming live on YouTube. I hope you guys are having a good day so far. It is a Friday, the day after the CPI. Hope you guys enjoyed the CPI. We definitely did enjoy it. Money was made. The move came a little bit later on. All right, so hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys are enjoying your week so far. All right, so we are wrapping up the trading week this week. In line with what we spoke about this week, we're gonna add few more cryptos. All right, we're gonna add few more cryptos. We've got XRP, which is Ripple, and we're also gonna look at Shiba. All right, so these are the only two we're gonna focus on for this morning. It's Ripple, XRP, and then we've got Shiba. Right, so this is how Shiba is looking, guys. Right, it seems like, okay, so first of all, the market failed to break past this area. All right, we can see we have a higher low, and then we are creating a higher low as well, and then this is this week's candle, which is trading above last week's high. So now there are probabilities that next week we're gonna continue pushing towards the upside, provided that this candle closes like this. All right, because this is a huge momentum candlestick. It's about to take even that other week's high. So next week we will be looking for this direction, because this price action simply tells us that probabilities are higher for price to push towards the upside. So we are first looking at this 0.0142 as the target, and then we'll come back and see what we can get from this price action once it reaches that area. All right, so this is how Shiba is looking this morning. Right, so we just have to wait for it. I mean, there could be something today, but looking at how price is, it's aggressively pushing up. All right, so let's keep an eye and let's see what we can get from this one. And then we have Ripple. Ripple also, we did speak about this one. I think it was the previous week, where it was trading around here, and then price pushed towards the upside on that 61.8 of the Fibonacci. Right. Also, it is trading above the previous week's high. So momentum is bullish according to this price action. If you go to the lower time frames, you will notice that the market has broken above the channel. So there was a channel here, right? So the market broke above the channel and it continues to trade within the bullish structure. This is the bullish structure here. All right, so looking ahead, we're gonna look at how this weekly candle closes so that next week we know we are bullish. All right, we are targeting at least that price there, right? 3.3547, targeting at least that price. And yeah, this is basically what we are anticipating next week. So we want this weekly candle to close as it is, and then we know that next week we're focusing on this move. All right, so you will notice that Shiba and Ripple is giving us the same price action at the moment, right? The same direction, same price action. It's just a matter of time before we get our trading opportunities. All right, and quickly gonna do updates on what we spoke about also. If you take a look at Bitcoin, we said is gonna push towards the upside. If you go to your charts, you will find that it has actually moved to the upside. All right, let me just find that chart here quickly for you guys. There we go. So look at what Bitcoin is doing. It's moving up. Right, it broke past that. Momentum is still pushing up. There's a possibility that there could be a correction before the momentum continues. Right, this is the possibility, because now we are trading within this channel now. Right, so there could be a correction before price goes up, but this one is moving in line with our analysis. Right, and then if you take a look at Cardano, if you take a look at Shiba, Avalanche, Tron, they're also moving the same direction. So it's just a matter of time until they reach our target. All right. So yeah, so overall, it has been a good week for the crypto. A lot of opportunities on the crypto. You do not want to miss this opportunity. You don't want to miss it, right? So keep an eye and then we will come back with more analysis and updates for you next week. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna end it here for today, for this week. Hope you guys enjoyed, hope you guys capitalized on these opportunities. Let's come back stronger next week, and yeah, we're gonna look at how the charts are on Monday. All right, have a good one, guys. Enjoy your weekend, have a good one, and cheers.